Hi, welcome to HD Digital. I'm Chinuk Sen and today we're going to talk about what the cameras on the Vivo V19 can do. If you take a look at this very rectangular camera module on the back, there are 4 cameras along with the LED flash. There's a 48MP primary shooter, an 8MP wide-angle lens, a 2MP macro lens and another 2MP depth sensor. On the front for your selfies, there's a 32MP primary shooter and an 8MP wide-angle lens. You know, for those selfies where you can have all your friends in. Over our experience with Vivo, we've seen that usually their selfies turn out to be really nice, but the colors are a little saturated and the beautification is a little high. So if you are going to use a Vivo camera to take your selfies, you have to be very careful to be able to adjust the beauty filter to look just right. Otherwise, it's going to look really bad. We will be taking the camera for a spin, so you'll know what it can do and what it can't do. But at first glance, let's take a look. When you open the normal camera module and you click on More, there are options of a panorama shot, live photos, slow-mo, AR stickers, time-lapse, etc. There's video, normal photos, a portrait mode. If you didn't know, the 2MP depth sensor on the back of your phone is usually used for these portrait photos. And there's a night option as well. When you turn on the selfie camera, there's a little option that comes for the lens. And you can choose between super wide angle and bokeh. You can move very seamlessly from a super wide to your normal angle on the front camera as well as on the back. So now you know all about the cameras on the Vivo V19. Are they good enough for you? Are they not? Well, that's your decision. We'll be back with more phones and more devices. Till then, bye.
The Vivo V19 comes with AI quad rear camera and dual front camera with super night mode that lets you click clear pictures even in the dark. The phone is available in Mystic Silver and Piano Black color variants. Vivo V19 comes with an 8GB RAM and 2 internal memory variants with 128GB and 256GB storage capacity that allows for easy multitasking. The memory is expandable up to 512GB. The phone comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. The Vivo V19 features a 6.44-inch LIV E3 Super AMOLED Full HD Plus screen with 100% color gamut for an immersive viewing experience. It also features an in-display fingerprint scanner for a faster and more secure access. The phone features a 48MP AI quad rear camera. It also comes with a 32MP plus 8MP dual front camera with super night selfie and super wide selfie mode. The Aura screen light lets you see your face in an oval ring while shooting a selfie even in extreme dark environment. Powered by Funtouch operating system with Qualcomm Snapdragon octa-core processor, this phone makes downloading as well as browsing very smooth. The phone comes with a 4500 mAh lithium-ion battery with 33 watts Type-C Vivo Flash Charge 2.0 that helps you charge faster. The box includes handset, earphone, Type-C to USB cable, USB power adapter, SIM ejector, protective case, protective film and documentation. The product comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail no-cost EMI and additional exchange offers with this phone. You can pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.